Hey guys, Rhett Weaver here from Lifetime Home Loans. Want to give you an outlook of kind of this year. Hopefully you guys are excited for 2026. Hopefully you guys have great goals and aspirations to do better than what you did last year. Lifetime, what you're going to see this year is just trying to help you guys sell more real estate, and that's all we care about. First things first, let's talk about the markets this week. We've got a little bit of jobs data that's going to come out this week, which is really good because some people were skeptical of what happened in the month of December because the government was shut down back in October. They're not expecting too many jobs to come in. They're expecting the unemployment rate to stay up. So pay attention to that because obviously it's going to be market moving. The two other things that I do want to talk about that we could see something maybe potentially happen here in 2026 is what happened with Venezuela over this last weekend. For those of you that don't know, obviously Trump took over it. He's trying to run the country here for a minute and get it all intact. If you really dive deep into it, the reason for that is because of the reserve of oil that they have in that country. It's far more than anywhere else inside this world, which means it's going to take a little bit of time for infrastructure and things like that, but if they can get that oil out of that country, the price per barrel is obviously going to come down, which makes the consuming of products less expensive, because if you can get barrels to become cheaper, it costs less to make goods. And then obviously that's going to go ahead and interact with what's happening with inflation. That's obviously going to take quite a few months, or if not years, to get that in place. But that could be one of the main reasons as far as what's going on inside of that country at this particular time. The other positive thing that we're going to have happen this year is come May of this year, we're going to have a new Fed president. It looks like a lot of the voting members right now are getting a little bit more dovish, or they're getting a little bit basically in agreement that the markets are weakening and these rate cuts that we've been having are very valid moving forward. And so let's watch what happens this week with the jobs report. Let's watch as things kind of transpire this year. A lot of good news coming out of the gate here, especially what a lot of the experts are saying as far as where the markets are headed. So if you guys have any questions, please let us know. Hopefully you guys had a great holiday season and looking forward to 26.